Hello everybody, today we're going to do the wildflowers from Chloe. Got a pretty one. I'm going to use the gold one this time. This is the fine gold, the perlerized paper, lovely colour. So that's that one. Let's just put that out of the way, everything's falling over. Okay, so as before, I've done all the prep because otherwise it takes too long. Get a little shaping mat and me 3 large, medium, small and tiddly widdly this time. Yeah, sort of a tiddly widdly. Right, so this one is just a very basic shape. So all I do on this one, I can pick it up, turn it over on the back, and I'll just do that. Don't have to be too precise. Just rub it over. Okay. The more you can go in the middle if you want, just once, and that will make it fold up even more. Proper, quite hard in the middle. I'm using the large ball tool, and then place it down, and then I get me little bit of wax paper, and with the small, not the tiddly, the small, just go in the middle like that. Okay, and then we'll do that with all of them. So I think we're going medium on this one. And quite shaping quite nicely without going back in the middle, but we will. So once just back in the middle, and then in the middle, round and round and round, turn it back over, and then with your wax paper and the small, just do that. I've been a bit more vigorous this time than I did on my one, and this one I'm going to use the small. We'll move across in that, in the middle, a bit rough in the middle, and then get your and then last I'm not going to use the teeny weeny, I'm still going to use the small for this one. Turn it over. This time I'll use the other end, the teeny weeny one, like that. Now it's roughed up the middle a little bit. It doesn't matter because the gem will go in the middle, and we're going to glitter that anyway. So using the Chloe's lemon sherbet, which I don't use it very often, but it's a nice one. Let's get rid of the shaping mat and bring in some scrap paper. Right, where's just the art glitter, and literally I'm just going to go on the ends a blob and just drag it down. Blob, drag down. On all of them. this one I haven't, I just do a little pattern in them because you can't really see the detail, but on the big ones do a blob and drag. That's it. You could always do a couple on the outside. Right, tweezers for this one because he's a little tiddler. And I'm just going to do a little blob there. So, pin in. And I'm going to put the little one over the big one. Exactly the same. So the big one's going to get all the, give it a little shake and a flick. This one, just get some of that off that we've already done. Okay. Alright, put that to one side. Now I'm going to use silicone to put them together. I'm done. Right, get my little mat. Got some silicone in there already. And this one we're going to offset it. I've only done one layer of these, but you could have done 2 of the big one, 2 of the medium, and 2 of the other ones and just build it up. But I think this one I'm just going to give it a little bit more, just push it in a little bit. That. Just move it round. It's still stuck in the middle, just move it round a little bit. And it's exactly the same with this one. Just going to give it a little, and then offset it again. This time go in the middle with the smaller one. Exactly the same again. Tweezers for this one because it's a tiddly. Offset it like that. Line it up. Just move it round and just make it a little bit more of that. It's wanting to move underneath. So move the underneath round, and we just want to move the top one. So keep that still. Remember the glue is underneath, is still going to be quite wet. Just going to pop that off. So stick that down again. A bit more silicone, you can see where the embossing's come off. So just a bit more embossing, silicone. Just give it a squidge up and place it down again. Straight down. There you go. Just hold it for a couple of seconds. I'm going to get a gem. I'll go with what we got. Go with the one that I used on my one originally. So just lift that off. It's got sticky underneath, but I still always put bit of silicone and pick it up. You could always put a little bit more glitter around the edges, so I'm just going to do just a couple. That's it. Let's see what that looks like. I think that one looks quite a bit plain, really. Bring this back in. Put that lid back on. Right, let's take it off there because we don't want the glitter all over that. And I'm literally just going to put it all over. Right, when you pick it up from the base flower and then turn it round to get all the glitter out. Okay, just pop this back in the pot. Right, I haven't pushed it down as much as I have with that one. I've done, as you can see, that one's been pushed really right down in the middle, and that one hasn't. It's the same effect, just more with the ball tool on that one. But you can see a lot of the shaping round with those petals, and I haven't done more shaping on that one. That's two different versions of that one. Let's just get that out of the way. Put it on the white background, it'll show up better. That's it. So that's that flower, and that's Chloe's Wildflowers. Hope you've enjoyed it, and I'll see you on the next flower. Thank you so much for watching, and see you soon. Bye bye.